Hi, friends, welcome back once again to a second episode of Knowing Our Platform. So, welcome to you to all for today's session on getting to know our Edu Skills platform. It is a free platform designed for healthcare professionals by healthcare professionals and dedicated to supporting healthcare professional in their professional growth and development in OET in the learning process of OET. And we are delighted to have you all with us today and hope this session helps you to explore our platform's valuable resources, learning opportunities, tools, enhance your knowledge and skills. Thank you for joining us and let's begin. So our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. Kindly keep in mind to subscribe our channel, like and share with your contacts. So let our work reach to all those who are financially struggling to crack OET. Our signature is a smile and our goal is to empower each other and grow together. Today, let us know about the Edu Skill platform. Name of the platform is Edu Skill International. It's a blanket of platform for many programs such as OET, IELTS, CBT. We have programs starting from KG to PG, all the programs for different category of people, and ownership is by the health professional for the health professionals, and management is done by Anjali admin panel, and admins are Elizabeth, Tom, Ranjini, Mohan, Anita, Taj, Ganesh, Sash, Chandravedini, Bharati, Sini, Prabha, Varsha, Jayalakshmi, Vantika, Madhushri, Lini Varghese, Neha, Nitya, Minnie Jackson, Dorothy David, and Shanmuga and Jyothi. So this is a free platform. The nature of the platform is non-profitable. We don't charge for any of our services. So be aware of the scammers. Those are pretending to be Father Saleen or any of the admin, which I have mentioned the names already, so that you may be aware of the admins as well as the owner of this platform. So we don't have any other owner, and it's only one is Father Dr. Saleen Joseph. And if they ask you for money or mobile number, OTP, or asking for any personal information, kindly don't give to anyone. So be aware of the scammers. Whoever asks you for money, definitely they are not from our Edu Skill platform. We never ever charge for any of our services. And our mission of Edu Skills is to inspire learners to learn, to fall in love with learning process, hence make education and experience, in short, learning made easy. So the caption of our Edu Skill platform is fall in love with OET, experiential learning, learning made easy. I hope I have explained everything. Thank you, friends, for listening to me patiently. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you next time.